Will ChatGPT replace Google? As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, developers are finding new ways to make it useful for the average person. ChatGPT, for example, is an AI chatbot that recently went viral as people began sharing pictures of their conversations with the AI. People have used it to write their school essays, come up with song lyrics, and answer complicated questions. But could a tool like this replace a web search behemoth like Google? ChatGPT's ability to answer questions could eliminate many of the steps associated with Google searches. Google does have its own chat AI called LaMDA, which stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications, but it is only publicly available in a limited capacity. According to CNBC, Google's employees fear the chatbot could overtake Google as the go-to source for web searches. Although ChatGPT was the first to market, Google's LaMDA is arguably better. LaMDA responses tend to be more contextually relevant than ChatGPT responses, and they do a better job of leaning on reliable sources. One of the major reasons Google hasn't released LaMDA in its entirety is to avoid potentially offensive responses. Gaurav Nimade, a former Google product manager, says, "Google thinks a lot about how something can damage its reputation. We've already seen offensive ChatGPT responses shared on Twitter, such as this one retweeted by cognitive scientist Abiba Burhane that says things like, 'If you're not the right race or gender, then you're not good enough for me. And if you see a woman in a lab coat, she's probably just there to clean the floor.' Responses like this make it fairly obvious why Google wants to perfect its chatbot before releasing it without restrictions. So, will ChatGPT replace Google web search? It's an interesting thought, but it isn't likely to happen anytime soon.